Pandemic, rough, sucky, no one likes it. I don't like it, you don't like it. But I have advice for all you healthcare professionals that are working through this pandemic. Here it is. Are you ready? No excuses. Talking to myself as much as I am to you. I know during parts of the pandemic, I've made excuses of, oh, well, things are slower because of the pandemic. Oh, well, I don't need to do as much work on this because of the pandemic. Oh, I don't need to get out there as much because of the pandemic. And so my main advice to other healthcare professionals and myself, no excuses. There are still a lot of people we can help out there. There's a lot of people you can help out there. There's a lot of people I can help out there. And the last thing that we should be doing as practitioners or doctors is to say that we don't have control or power to be able to help other people. It's just not true. There's different ways to help people. There's different things that we've had to do to make our offices where they're safe, which is fine. Or the people that aren't even working in the office and are doing virtual. That's fine too. But what's not fine is using this external thing, this external, pandemic, virus, and everything that's going on around that. Using that as an excuse to not help others is not fine. It's not fine. It's not fine for me. It's not fine for you. So that is my big encouragement to you, is that we don't have to think about, oh, well, the pandemic's been rough, even if it has, because there's still things that we can do, adapt, move forward, be able to help people, because the patients that are listening right now, they're looking for practitioners who are there to help them, pandemic or not, because life doesn't stop. Doesn't stop with the pandemic. And other practitioners are looking to you, if you are a role model, if you're a leader, there's other practitioners looking to you to decide how they're going to react to the pandemic and how they're going to react in their business. How are they going to react in their life? Because if it's not the pandemic, at some point, I believe this pandemic will end. Who knows when? Sometime. But when it's over, guess what? Something else is going to come up. Somebody in your life is going to pass away. There's going to be a car crash. Somebody's going to get hurt. Something is going to happen that will disrupt life again, because that's the nature of life. And the easiest thing is to make an excuse for that instead of taking responsibility. This is huge. Take responsibility. And if you're a patient and you're listening, you're like, well, I'm not a practitioner. This goes for you too. If you're having a hard time with work, if you're not wanting to get a job, if you're not wanting to get care because of the pandemic, stop making excuses. The pandemic, we don't know how long it's going to go on for, and we don't know what else is going to happen. But we do know that we still need to live, and we still need to take care of ourselves and take care of others. And so that is my ultimate advice for you, for healthcare practitioners out there, but also for anyone else listening. Take responsibility. Stop making excuses. Good seeing y'all today.